Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Definitely glad to have you back to the Freedom Team APEC Marketing Group channel. All right, so right here, let's talk about emergency fund. Basically, the emergency fund is something you have to last you for a period of time while you get back on your feet. Okay, and so basically, what we talk about in my book and what some financial planners talk about, you're talking about having 3 to 6 months of your net income. Okay, 3 to 6 months of your net income. And the reason why we want to inform you to be crystal, because you don't take home your gross anyway. You know, you get paid, and when you're not a business owner, that you don't get to keep your money first, that you got people taking your money out, call FICA. Okay, I don't know who that is, right? But call FICA. You ain't tell them to take it out, right? But we understand that you have taxes and different things taken out. And so you want to do it on your net income. Now, what I want to share with you before, I only got these 4 points. We're going to talk about what emergency fund is, when to get in, use it, why, and how. So these only are the 4 points that I want to share with you.